All right, guys. Several of you have asked about saving your files from your computer to prepare for when you get your new MMPS laptop so that you don't lose anything important on your computer. We did talk about using a thumb drive or USB drive that you could get, but there's another way that you can save your files without having to purchase one of those or find one in your house. So, if you pull up your Google Chrome and you come to, I always start out by going to just my Outlook um, email address, which many of you are very comfortable with. So this would be a great place to start. But from here, you can access all of your different tools that you need that are from Microsoft. So once you get to your email, you can just click these little dots over here that open up your apps, and you're going to be looking for the OneDrive app. So it has this little cloud. Once you click onto OneDrive, it's going to open up all of your different files here. There may be things already listed here, and that's fine, or it may be empty. What you're going to do for anything you want to save, you're going to want to make a folder. So if you have, for example, some math assignments you'd like to save, the first thing you're going to want to do is click Folder, New, and then Folder, and then you would title it. I already have one titled Math, so I'm going to put Math Example here so I don't get confused. And you can name it whatever you want, and then you press Create. Once it creates, it pops up right here, and it's ready for you to add things to. So when you want to open it, you simply click it, and then you're going to add some files here. So in order to get them from your computer to here, you're going to click Upload, Files, and then it's going to open up all the files that you have on your laptop. You are going to find whatever it is that you want to upload. So maybe you want to upload this first document that I have here. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click Open. Once I click open, you might see here that it'll say uploading. Some of the longer documents take a little bit. It'll say uploading, and then as soon as it's ready, it will come here and it will show this little blue symbol here to just show that it's new. So once it's here, it's automatically uploaded to OneDrive, and then whenever you open up your OneDrive, you're able to access it. So when you go to your new laptop and you open up your account on there, this document will be here, and then you won't lose it from your current laptop.